So I've now filled up the box and I've used a mixture of our own compost that we've made, some leaf mould that we made and some old compost. Okay, so I don't over fuss with my compost, certainly very rarely buy new compost. So these are my lavenders, which are small as you can see, but you can see they've got a really good root system and they'll grow on. So at some point my friend is probably going to have to repot this, but for now we can put them in and let them grow away nicely. I'll have that one. So probably going to put about 5 lavenders in here. So I'm not fussing, they're just going in as they are. As I said, they will grow on nicely. Might get one more small one in the middle there. Okay, now as I'm going to give it away, I'm just going to put a bit of nicer compost on the top, and because it's a gift for someone, so that's around there. And then all I'm going to do then is tuck this lining into the box so that you can't see it anymore. If you just tuck it in nicely and then just bring the soil over the edge a bit so that you can't even see that anymore, and then I'm going to water it in and done, and that will grow along nicely. Needs to be in a sunny position. Lavenders like a lot of sun, not over watered though, so they'll grow in quite dry conditions. So there you go, that's a lavender box.